Hey everyone, this is Shofiul Kaji, data entry and lead generation expert. In this video, I am going to show you how you can find leads from Apollo and how can you filter your target person and how can you get the proper leads. Let's start the video. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give a like, and if you like this video, also give a comment. Thank you so much. Let's start the video. If you want to find leads from Apollo from your targeted person, because lots of the clients want to find their targeted person, so without targeted person, proper person, they will never take your work. So some clients are target their targeted persons are CEO, owner, founder, etc title, and they have some others industry, like lots of industry have, like real estate, like software, etc companies, and also they also target their company employee size and the targeted location. So after get this all information like targeted location, targeted industry, targeted employee size, and targeted title, then we can easily find their targeted person. So first we have to go to Apollo dashboard. You see here the dashboard option, then we have to go find email status. Every time we have to click here the verified email list, because without verified email that list is not work. So first of all I have to select the verified list, then I have to go job title. If this client targeted, like which title they need, if they need CEO, like CEO, so I will type here CEO, here I click, it will added here. If they need founder, so I'll type here and this founder will show here, and then I will select there. Sometimes it works very slow because lots of people use this site. Let's see what come. This is working, but not come yet. Oh yeah, this is the founder. So any of title your client wants, just type here. So right now I found lots of my targeted client. So what I need next, I need company location. So if my client give me the proper location, so I can find their location targeted person. So if my client will give me a location name like New York, USA, so here I am typing here New York, USA. So all the CEO and founder from New York showing here. Then I'll go employee size. That means how many employees have that companies. If the client targeted 1 to 10 size employee size, so I'll select 1 to 10 size. If my client want 51 to 100 employee size company, then I'll click here. It's working. It's working very slowly. Okay, you see two filter here added. Then I have to filter the industry. This is the main parts. Actually every client wants a selected industry, having selected industry. Without selected industry, we are not able to target the proper person, and they are not able to take the proper person. So I have to go target the proper industry. If they want if the targeted industry is real estate, so if I type here, the real estate industry is coming here. So after target everything, we see a number of leads that's coming here, and they have all valid email. So here I have 1100 email targeted person I found from New York location, real estate industry, CEO and founder. So they have more option like revenue, like technologies they are using, website visitors. If I want to filter here how many people are visiting this website, and then that means it's possible, but I have to connect every company's website. So it is a manual work, so it's not need every client. They need almost they need only the targeted person. If they get the targeted person, they can do email marketing or anything here they want. So from here we are able to get lots of information like in company name, company phone number, company website, company location, target person name, title, email, LinkedIn URL, etc. If you like this video, please give a hit the like button and give a comment if you have any question. If you need any targeted person lead generation work, if you need a lead generation expert, this is Shofil Kazi, data entry lead generation expert. Last 7 years I am working in this sector, so I am able to give you a good quality of leads. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't subscribe on my YouTube channel yet, please give a subscribe. Thank you so much.